Hello and welcome to today's live broadcast. I'm Keck with Builderall. I'm your information products training and support specialist. Glad you're with me. Thanks for being part of our Facebook group, Information Products Digital Marketing with Builderall and Keck Lynn. Join the group if you're not already joined and get in there and get involved. Try to answer other members' questions. And if you want to ask a question and get my attention, please tag me in it, and I will do my best to help you out there. Okay, well, we are going to continue on in our series about the game-changing Cheetah Funnel Builder. And I'll give everybody just a second to get on the stream here. All right, and if you're just joining us, again, my name's Keck with Builderall. Welcome aboard. Let's get a little training done. All right, I'm going to put myself over here in the corner, and we're going to continue on in our Cheetah Funnel Builder. Okay, so let me go in here. Now, yesterday and the day before, we've been talking about this. We did kind of a walkthrough. Yesterday we talked a lot about tags and the automations possible with tags. And today I said we're going to talk more about the emails, but I thought I would put it together into more of an actual example. So I did a little building and I'm going to share it with you. So we're going to go in here to this one I was working on. And actually, let me go here and just show you where I found it. Add a funnel. So I'm just going to start from the add so you can see where I found this one. So we'll go to add. We'll just name it this. We'll go with a doesn't matter theme. And when we start the funnel, this one I took from the lead capture. So I think I used a lead magnet. It was just this page right here. Okay, so this is the funnel that we're going to be working from a little bit. I'm just going to go back here and erase this one because I do not need, just an example. So this is the one we're going to work from. It's the same thing as this lead magnet funnel page. And real simple here. This is just going to be for lead magnet. That's going to take us to a form. That's going to take them to a email confirmation page. And that is going to redirect to where I'm going to deliver what I'm giving them with the lead magnet. Okay, so here we go. Let's start with the form, and we'll right click on that, and that'll bring up our information menu over here. Okay, so here we are. We're going to start with this form, and we will right click on it, which will bring up our details and things we can modify in this form. And we're going to look first off at lists. Okay, and I'm going to say, I already did this. So I said load lists. It loaded all my lists. It loaded my lists, and I selected this list, Florida real estate. Okay, so that's all good to go. Now here's what we want to do. Up here we can say URLs. Okay, and we have the option on where to send them for these different things. For the pending registration. So before they click confirm in their email, saying I'm going to confirm my subscription, we want to send them to a page, this email confirmation page right here. So this is going to send them here. Okay. And then once they confirm, okay, sign up on confirmation, when they get their email, go to it and click on that confirm, then they're going to be redirected to the redirect to free sample page right here. All right. And unsubscribe link, I'm not going to worry about that right now. Okay, so you can kind of see the flow here. And now we're going to add a campaign. So here's where we get into the emails. And something to remember when we're speaking email language, campaign simply means an email. That campaign could be one email or it could be several. And that's kind of a little different from an email sequence. Now, an email sequence can also be a campaign, but it can be a little confusing. So just when we see campaign, a campaign refers to a single email. Okay, so let's load campaigns. And I'm waiting for it to load here. You could either create a new campaign. I already did this, but I'll just do it one more time to show you. Create new campaign. Okay, and we're going to call this, the name of the campaign is more for my purposes, so I remember when I'm looking at it. And this is going to be the free sample lead magnet. Okay, and I want this to send to current users or future users. I'm going to say current on this because this is the introductory email. And what this does is if you have Actually, no, I'm gonna change it to future users, and let me tell you how this works here. If you have it set to current users, as soon as you push this campaign live, it could send it out to all of the current users, and you don't want that. People that have been on your list for a while. If you want it only for new people that are coming in through this, these new people would be called future users. So in that case, you want to click future users. Okay, amount of emails. Let's say it's just going to be a short 5 email sequence. Okay, and we'll say save. And look at what happened here. Let me make everything just a little smaller so you can see this free sample lead magnet email campaign of 5 emails was dropped in here. Okay, and that we're actually going to have start over here from right when they go ahead and fill out that form. That's when we're going to want to initiate this sequence. Okay, you see it all laid out here. Moving on, we're going to look at the number 1 email here, and if I right click on it, email opening automation, I can add automation here. Okay, automation added, automation of no email opening. So basically, if they get this email, they do open it. Here, let me move this up here a little. If they do open it, that will be one automation, and then you can add an automation of no opening. Okay, that's being added down here too. So no open. So you can, I'm not going to set what these are going to do quite yet, but you can, well, let's right click on here and just show you. So on these different automations, if they don't open that email, you can have automatically happen how many days or minutes after. Let's say 1 day after. The actions do nothing, in which case they'll just be identified with a tag, so we will know that they received our email and didn't open it. Or we can move the lead then to a different list, copy the lead, insert a tag, or start a new campaign. Okay, so this is so cool. There's all these automations you can do. Now, you don't have to do these automations on each or any of the emails, but the option is there. So my first email, let me close this down, go over here again and right click on emails. And here, again, you can click on edit email, and that's where I can actually come, and it opens up the Mailing Boss email editor. How cool. And I can go in here and just, get rid of this. And I can say, you guys know me, I like to type with the microphone. So I'll just say, hey, welcome to FloridaRealEstateLicenseExams.com. I'm Keck, and I'm so happy you've decided to join us and join the community of people that are benefiting from the auditory learning model. Just an example here. Oh, let me turn off my mic or else it's just going to keep on typing. I love that. Okay, so you can do that here. You can title your subject whatever you want. This is the first one, so welcome is probably appropriate. You have the full editing capabilities that you have in the Mailing Boss here also. All right, so let's just save this one, and then we'll go back into the second one here. Right click and edit email. So here you could edit your second message. Now, just keep in mind that, let me save changes here. Just keep in mind that you can already have these emails pre-written and you can just pull them in. You don't have to do it right from here, but it's a great option to do it right from here. It's nice that we have the option. Okay, so real simple to go ahead and edit your emails here and add automations. All right, so let's go now, and I would say generate site, but I've already generated the site, so I don't really want to mess it up like that. But let me go to the site now and show you how this looks. Okay, so, let me show you another thing that's really cool that just happened. Let me click on this page, and this was just released, the Cheetah Funnel Builder, so they're still kind of adding things to it, and what they added since yesterday is this cool button, and I knew it was coming. And I was looking for it the other day. I couldn't find it. But here you can access the builder and change the content of your page. Again, so instead of closing this and going into my Cheetah builder and finding this page, look at this. I can just press this button. Voila. There it is. So, and I chose the theme for this one actually off of the existing website that this lead magnet is going to be for. And that worked out just great. Okay. So here's the lead magnet. And I did use our script generator to make this. So I'll just go through it with you really quick because it's super short. So, are you studying for the Florida real estate exam? Do you think you will pass on the first try? It's no secret that most people do not pass the exam on their first try. Report says pass-fail rate 38%. Yes, I know how it feels. I've been there too. Again, this all came from the script generator. But not anymore. I found a solution and you can try it for free. Introducing the Florida Real Estate License Exam Audio Review. So then I have a little more dialogue here on how I came to create this thing. Check out the free sample below. Okay, so this may look familiar because this is the pop-up that I showed you about yesterday. I just went to that pop-up and copied it and brought it over here and added it as a panel. So now this is my lead magnet for this little funnel. They're going to come here and they're going to say, yeah, I want to listen to a free sample. In order to do that, they're going to have to give me their email and their name. All right, so let's put this down. We'll just drop it. Okay, so that was the first page of it. And then we did our form already and we talked about that. All right, so now let's go to the confirm email page. Again, we have to close this here, right click, this will come up. Okay, so the email confirmation page, let's go ahead and press access the Cheetah Builder. And this is a real simple page that, came in the funnel. All I did here was change this picture to my logo, and it says just one more step to go. Please open the email you have just received, and I like to put in there from info@floridarealestatelicenseexams.com so they know, to look for it in their spam or whatnot. And click on the confirmation link, which will take you directly to the free sample of Chapter 15 from the audio review. This is the most passive form of studying I have found. A quote there from the Keck Lin. That's me. So this is kind of neat. I like this little progress bar here. Yeah, so watch this when it comes up. It has this little progress bar, which is cool because it's just some action. They're like, what's going on here? What's loading? And it just, again, is a tool to bring more attention to the screen and what I want them to do, which is go to their email and click on that link. Okay, so I'll just drop this page down. And then when they do, remember this one. Okay, so this email confirmation page, again, is going to send them directly to this site, which I told them that was going to happen in this one too, which I think is a good idea. Tell them what to expect. And then when it happens, they know what's going on. So this redirect, this page was here, and it's just kind of, for my purposes, a dummy page because I already had built on the website a page to deliver this because I use this kind of as a lead magnet, this free sample. I use it across different things and I link to it. So I just went ahead in here and I changed the name to redirect to free sample page, which shows up right here. So that way it keeps it straight for me. When I'm looking at this funnel, I know what's happening. But I can take you and show you that page. Let's see, it's the site here. So the free sample page is right here. So this is the page that they will be taken to immediately after they click confirm in their email. It'll bring them to this page here where they can click on this free sample. Below is a free sample of Chapter 15 audios. Click on the orange play button to listen, okay? So we'll actually, let me go to preview mode to see if I can make that work. Yep, it is working, but can't hear it. There it is. Okay, so I'm not sure if I had the audio for the computer enabled for this video. But so there they get to listen to it. And then right here, I've got some buy now 59 back to home page, login for the members. And if they click either one of these and they go back to the home page, go back to editor and drop that. I just wanted to show you where they're being taken for this redirect to free sample page. So that's kind of a real life example on how this works. And it's a great tool because if you look at it, it looks, wow, look at all this stuff, but it's all organized. I understand. I know what it's doing. Again, I want to draw a line to this one. Yeah, because when they sign up to this form, that's when I'm going to start my email sequence. All right, so really cool stuff. Cheetah Funnel Builder, the game changer. Real simple to put out your funnels, your ideas in blueprint form, and the ability to work right here from This blueprint page is really cool. Now we have the access to Cheetah Editor Builder, so you can go right to that page from any page and work on it straight away. Same thing with the emails. You can go right to the email page, edit email right from here. Super cool stuff, you guys. I love this Cheetah Funnel Builder. So that kind of wraps up our basic training on how to use the Cheetah Funnel Builder. We talked about how to create all different kinds of funnels from the blueprint section that are pre-made for you, how to create it by yourself page by page, and then when you create that, how to manipulate the themes, how to add automation through tagging, and how to add emails and even automations to those emails. If they open the email, this happens. If they don't open the email, that happens. I mean, what more could we want, right? I'm just so excited about this Cheetah Funnel Builder. All right, friends. Well, that's going to do it for today. Tomorrow is Friday. You know what that means? Live Q&A Friday. Think of some questions you might have, drop them in the group now, and maybe I will use them tomorrow for that purpose. And I look forward to seeing you then. Until then, let's build it with Builderall. Ciao for now, friends. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.